Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now. Gather and tag 213, 215, or 216 sticker tags, a writable smartphone, and a tag writing app. Clean the sticker backing and measure the target area, about 25 millimeters for alignment. Open the app and enable NFC in phone settings. Make sure battery is above 50% so writing won't fail. Place the blank tag on a flat, non-metal surface. Tap the phone to the tag to detect it. Once detected, choose the record type you want and prepare the payload. Once done detecting the tag, choose what to encode: URL, contact card, plain text, or Wi-Fi credentials, and preview the payload. Make sure to set protection. Leave unlocked for reuse, set lock bit for permanent write, or configure a password for higher security. Position the phone on the same spot and execute the write command. Immediately rescan the tag to verify data integrity. If verification fails, rewrite at the same spot, since inconsistent alignment often causes error. Finish by sealing the sticker with a clear laminate or thin varnish for moisture resistance. Make sure you avoid metal surfaces because they block NFC. Test each tag where it will be used, checking read distance and orientation so users know the correct tap spot. If a tag is unreadable, reformat it with the app, confirm the chip type matches your use case, and rewrite while keeping the phone precisely over the chip. If problems persist, replace the tag. Damaged antennas cannot be repaired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.